Hi, I'm Madison from the Tomorrow marketing team, and today we're at AMS 2026 in Houston. We're going to be speaking to some of our space and sensors team as well as our weather scientists today. Hope you enjoy.
Hi, I'm Emma Watson. I am a senior systems engineer here at Tomorrow I/O, and I'm actually the lead systems engineer for our microwave sounder constellation. So in today's world, weather data is in higher demand than ever. To have successful AI or ML models, they're only as good as the data that they're trained on. And so having our own data with a very high temporal revisit rate is of the utmost importance. Yeah, so being able to have, a sub-hourly revisit rate means that we're watching storms as they develop. And our microwave sounder constellation is specifically tuned to look at hurricanes. And as we all know, having accurate pathing of where hurricanes land and things of that nature is of very huge importance. Even myself, when I started at this company, the idea was that the apps and everything they're super accurate, right? And that they must have satellites that are looking all over the globe, but that's not true. We have really good, fortunately, weather data coverage over North America, but it's not global, especially over the Pacific Ocean. So Tomorrow I/O's goal is for global weather coverage, which doesn't exist, which I feel like a lot of people don't know. One piece of advice that I would give to leaders today would be, invest in people. I think that there are a lot of tools. It's the people that do the work, and getting people that that will work together and be collaborative, because I feel like this environment can be very cutthroat, right, as the startup world. But it's really about collaboration. It's about being able, as a systems engineer, to talk to our lead scientists and collaborate. And instead of the mindset being oh, I can't do that, here's the limitation, it's how do we go beyond? How do we break down those limitations? AI has come so far in the last 2 years in my role, I didn't use it at all, to today where I use it every day. I'm not the most skilled software engineer, but Windsurf essentially acts, like a buddy coder that, every day that I need to plot this data quick or take a quick look at this, I can just ask it hey, here's this new data set, and then it, plots it, and it's able to give insights, and I'm able to ask, human-based language questions, and then I get code as a result. So I'm really excited for our kind of active radar, what we call our tracker program, and the leaps in science and weather radar that our ARENA will bring to space. Right now our ARENA is flying on our Pathfinder mission, but I'm really excited for the next generation of that particular sensor.